Hey, what's up? Please subscribe or like this video if you haven't already, and follow me on Twitter or Twitch, and both of those links will be in the description. Thank you, and please enjoy the video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Electric here with another video. Anyway, this video is going to be about the Haymaker Pack-a-Punch. It is so good. Even with the Beast Furnace, it is amazing. Best shotgun ever. It's called the Shoe Shining 101 Pack-a-Punch, but it shouldn't be called that. It should be called like the Furnace, like burning disintegrator 1000 or something like that. Cause look, I'll show you when the horde when this round starts, but it will burn them. It is so good. It's so unbelievably good. With double tapping. So fast. Balls come out so fast. It is amazing.
Say no better.
I'll show you on the dogs. It just like burns them. Boom! I can see the hit marker. It's so good. Hold on, I'm just kaboom. It's like a nuke but in a gun. It blows them up. So good. Show you right here. It is amazing. It's the best gun ever. I'll show you in like a horde I've tried to get in the catwalk. Hold on, let's just wait for them to come in. It didn't work that time, but kaboom! So good. You hard. So good. There you go. Butt knocker. Ever seen the show Beavis and Bud? Dear hole. Good score. Okay. This is basically it, guys, and the video here. But